Hey everyone, it is Zach, and today I've got these Terminator LED lights for a vehicle. These are the 9005 bulbs. They're going to be installed on my wife's Highlander on her high beam, so we get to test out and see how bright these are. But the company had originally reached out just to do an unboxing for you guys, so we'll do that and we'll do a brightness test on top of that. So let's go and jump into it. All right, got a set of gloves here. Alright, so these are the bulbs. Look really nice. We've got that fan here, all built in. You don't have to worry about zip tying any extra cords. Let's go ahead and get these installed and see how bright they are. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up her hood. Go ahead and just use those gloves that they gave us. Put these guys in. Bam. Locked in nice and straight, up and down. Let's go do the other side. It locks up. Alright, let's test them. So these are the low beams, and there are the high beams. Let's go ahead and get a different angle real quick. This is flat. Nice and bright there. Now you can see a little bit here, but that's just the frame rate of my camera. There's actually no flickering going on. Alright guys, well these are bright lights. As you can tell, they're really quiet. Now there is one thing that I forgot to mention about these, is because of their small profile and the fan being built in, you can fit these into tighter spaces. So if you have a weather seal cap that's on the back end and you try to put something like this in that's a little bit longer, has the anti-flicker module on here, like stuffing all this cord in there, it's just not going to work. I mean, look at the difference between these bulb lengths. You know, it's about a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch longer for this bulb. So having this kind of slimmed down design where it's a lot more compact makes it where it's compatible with more vehicles, more headlight housings, and even fog lights on the bottom. Just where, you know, makes it super compact in an already compact space in the engine base. So yeah, I think this is one of the key features of this bulb. Now, I do want to mention that after I did pull it out of the vehicle, that these were hot. It's running a little fan, but like I said, it's all built in, so that heat is going to be generated, but you are getting a very, very bright light from it. So kudos to them for the design, and hopefully this works out for your vehicle.